Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into Columbia Southern University account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type what I am typing, that is, columbiasouthern.edu, and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Columbia Southern University. You can scroll down and look at the features, but for now we only want to log in. At the top right of the screen, you will find something like login options, and you can also click on this apply now if you want to apply to Columbia Southern University. Click on these login options right here. A new page will open up giving you lots of login options, whether you want to go to the Student Portal, Applicant Portal, CSU Online Library or Blackboard. So if you want to log into our student account, simply click on the Student Portal. A new page will open up asking you to enter your username, simply enter it. And once it's done, click on the Continue button. Now you want to enter your password right here. In case you forgot your username or password, here are the buttons. Click on it and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Once everything's okay, hit on this login button right here and you will be able to access my CSU account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log in to your CSU account. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.